Hi everyone, it's Joe Andrews for Joss Moses Kitchen. Today I am preparing a home style bitter gourd, very quick, very easy, simple household recipe. Don't waste time, let's move on to the video, Joss Moses Kitchen. This recipe serves 3 to 4 guests. Onto a skillet, 3 tablespoons of oil. Coconut oil is preferred for this one. Few curry leaves, 4 cloves of garlic sliced. Give a quick stir. Add half teaspoon of turmeric. Give a quick mix. Just for 50 seconds. The spices are cooked. Half tablespoon of coriander powder. Saute for a minute. Add 2 medium sliced onions, 4 pieces of chili sliced, salt to taste, and saute for a minute. Add 1 tablespoon of chili powder. Saute it for 2 minutes. The spices will be cooked. Add quarter cup of tamarind puree or pulp. Mix it well. Add the bitter gourd 500 grams sliced like this and combine well with the onion mix. When it's well combined, cover it and cook it until it's tender. Don't miss out to give a quick stir in between. Cover it and cook until the bitter gourd is cooked and tender. This recipe, have you ever tried? What about this one? Have you tried it? And what about this one? Have you never tried it? Then what about this one? Make sure you try it and let me know how it is.